Hello students, welcome to Science Fact Education. In this question we have to find out the edge length of the unit cell whose density is equal to 10.6 gram per centimeter cube and our system is silver crystallized system that is in FCC lattice. As we know that for FCC the formula unit is nothing but a 4. Okay, and density is given 10.6 gram per centimeter cube. So density is 10.6 gram per centimeter cube. Now here we know that density is equal to formula unit into molar mass divided by Avogadro number into volume of the system, and it is a face centered cubical system, and we know that the volume of the cubical system is nothing but a cube. We can also write this formula in this form because we have to find out the edge length of the unit cell. That is why we can write in this fashion also, into density and whole power equal to 1 by 3. Here formula unit is 4 and molar mass of the silver system, that is nothing but a 108 gram per mole. Avogadro number, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 in mole inverse into density, that is 10.6 gram per centimeter cube, and whole power is 1 by 3. When you solve this numerical value, you will get 6.767 into 10 raised to the power minus 23 centimeter cube, and whole power is equal to 1 by 3. Finally, we can write 67.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 to the power 3, and whole power is equal to 1 by 3. Finally, we will get edge length, that is equal to 4.0693 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 centimeter. Edge length A equal to 4.0693 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter, because 1 centimeter, that is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Finally, we can write edge length A is equal to 0.4069 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter, and A equal to 0.4069 nanometer. So the correct answer should be D. Thank you for watching this video.